Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Choco, your online money-making guru, and today I'm about to reveal some incredible secrets on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Yes, you heard me right. If you're ready to learn how to turn the internet into your very own cash machine using platforms like YouTube, Pixabay.com, Pxels.com, and more, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Don't miss out on the opportunity to change your financial game forever. But before we dive into the secrets, let me take a moment to thank all of you who have already subscribed to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it drives us to keep bringing you the best money-making strategies out there. Now, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, I strongly encourage you to do so because what I'm about to share can truly transform your financial future. So, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Before we continue, I want to make it clear that the information I'm providing today is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Always conduct your research and consult with professionals when making financial decisions. Alright, let's jump into the first strategy, which is all about making money online with YouTube. YouTube is the primary platform for sharing videos and making money, and we'll explore how to use it effectively. Are you curious about the websites that make this possible? Stick around because I'm going to explain each one in detail. But first, let's talk about the earnings. Some people are making a fortune with these methods, and I'll show you how you can do the same. And yes, we'll cover how to register or sign up for these platforms, step by step. But before we get into the specifics, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Our channel is your go-to source for turning your online ventures into financial success. By subscribing, you won't miss a single opportunity to boost your income. So, go ahead, hit that subscribe button now. Alright, let's dive into the first money-making website, YouTube. You're probably already familiar with this one, as it's the primary platform for sharing videos and making money. But let me take a moment to emphasize the incredible potential that YouTube holds. It's not just a platform for sharing funny cat videos or music covers. It's a goldmine for entrepreneurs like you. You see, YouTube has evolved into a global stage where anyone with a message, a strategy, and the right tools can achieve financial success beyond their wildest dreams. This platform is home to millions of viewers hungry for content, and the best part is, you don't even need to create your videos. You can leverage YouTube's vast audience to turn your ideas into a steady stream of income. Think of it as a digital marketplace where your creativity is the currency. And I'm here to show you how to unlock its full potential, step by step. But remember, to stay updated on all the strategies and opportunities we're sharing, subscribing to our channel is your ticket to financial freedom. So hit that subscribe button now. Now, to supercharge your content and make your videos stand out in a digital crowd, you can utilize platforms like Pixabay.com and Pxels.com. These websites are absolute game changers on your journey to online success. Why, you ask? Because they offer a vast collection of stock videos that you can use to enhance your content without ever needing to pick up a camera. Just imagine, you have access to a treasure trove of professionally shot videos, ranging from breathtaking landscapes to exciting cityscapes, all at your fingertips. These platforms are a lifesaver for those who might not have the time or resources to film their own footage. You can now take your viewers on a virtual journey around the world, or even the universe, all without leaving the comfort of your computer. But here's the secret sauce, it's not just about using these stock videos, it's about how you use them. I'll guide you through the process of incorporating these visuals seamlessly into your content, ensuring that your viewers are engaged and entertained. So, if you're ready to transform your videos into captivating masterpieces, stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of content enhancement using platforms like Pixabay.com and Pxels.com. But, of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to ensure you're always in the loop about these money-making techniques. Subscribe now. Before we unveil the full potential of these platforms, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're your companions on this exciting journey towards financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button and join us. And for those of you who are truly seeking to level up your content game, there's a hidden gem you need to know about, Storyblocks. It's not just a website, it's a subscription service that opens the doors to an expansive library of stock videos, audio clips, and more. In essence, it's like having a treasure trove of video content at your fingertips. Imagine having a seemingly endless supply of professionally produced videos, music, and sound effects, all readily available for your creative endeavors. It's like having a virtual production crew right there with you. Whether you're crafting a documentary, an engaging vlog, or a tutorial, Storyblocks has your back with a vast array of content. The best part? It's not limited to just videos. You can elevate your content with the perfect soundtrack, setting the mood and enhancing the viewer's experience. It's an incredible resource for those who want their content to stand out from the crowd. But wait, there's more to it than just access. I'll guide you through how to make the most of Storyblocks and ensure your content is not just visually stunning but also captivating. This is a game changer for anyone aiming to dominate the online space. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of Storyblocks and enhance your content like never before. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the strategies and opportunities we're sharing. Your journey to financial success starts here. Subscribe now. Now, we've talked about sourcing fantastic visuals from platforms like Pixabay.com, Pixels.com, and the treasure trove of Storyblocks. But what's the next step to turning these visuals into engaging, attention-grabbing videos? It's time to bring your content to life, and for that, you'll need a video editing software. The good news is that you don't need to break the bank for this. There are some outstanding free options that are as powerful as they are user-friendly. I'm talking about tools like OpenShot, Shortcut, and HitFilm Express. OpenShot is a fantastic choice for beginners and seasoned editors alike. It's open source, meaning it's continually improving and adapting to your needs. With an easy-to-use interface, you'll be cutting, splicing, and adding effects to your videos in no time. Shortcut is another gem in the world of free video editing. It's designed for speed and efficiency, making it perfect for those tight deadlines. If you want to create stunning videos without the hassle of a complicated interface, this is the tool for you. Now, if you're ready to take your video editing skills to the next level, HitFilm Express is the answer. It's a powerful and free video editing software that provides a range of professional-grade features. You can add special effects, manipulate color, and produce content that truly stands out. In the next part of this video, I'll guide you through how to use these tools effectively. Whether you're a complete novice or a video editing enthusiast, you'll be amazed at how these software options can transform your videos. So, get ready to dive into the world of video editing with OpenShot, Shortcut, and HitFilm Express. If you're a Mac user, here's a video editing tool that's like the secret weapon in your arsenal, iMovie. Whether you're already familiar with it or it's your first time hearing about it, iMovie is a fantastic choice for creating stunning videos. It's like having a full-fledged video studio at your fingertips, and it's tailored specifically for Mac users. What makes iMovie so special? Well, for starters, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate it. iMovie has a reputation for being intuitive, making the video editing process a breeze. But don't let its simplicity fool you. iMovie is packed with features that will make your videos shine. You can add special effects, transitions, and even create Hollywood-style trailers. It's a versatile tool that can cater to both beginners and those with more experience in video editing. Whether you're a Mac enthusiast or someone looking to explore new tools, iMovie is a game-changer. So, if you're eager to discover how iMovie can elevate your video editing game, stay tuned. Now, what if I told you that you can be a video editing wizard even while you're on the move? It's not a dream, it's a reality with PowerDirector Mobile. If you're one of those individuals who can't be tethered to a computer but still want to create fantastic videos, this mobile application is your secret weapon. PowerDirector Mobile is more than just a video editing app, it's a powerhouse for content creators on the move. Imagine being able to record videos on your smartphone, and then, with a few taps, transform them into captivating pieces of art. It's like having a video editing studio right in your pocket. This app is a game changer for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants to seize the moment and turn it into something extraordinary. It's not just user-friendly, it's also packed with features that can rival desktop video editing software. You can add effects, music, and bring your creative vision to life with ease. Now, let's talk about a tool that's all about creating captivating visuals, Google Slides. You might think of it as a presentation software, but it's so much more than that. It's the secret sauce behind eye-catching slideshows that can truly captivate your audience. Whether you're looking to tell a compelling story, explain a complex concept, or simply keep your viewers engaged with stunning visuals, Google Slides has you covered. It's an online presentation software that's not just user-friendly, it's a creative canvas for your ideas. Creating engaging slideshows is a breeze with Google Slides. You can add images, text, animations, and transitions to your slides, turning them into a visual journey for your viewers. And the best part? You don't need to be a design expert to make it work. With a few clicks and a pinch of creativity, you'll be crafting visuals that leave a lasting impression. Are you ready to dive into the world of screen recording and create tutorials like a pro? Say hello to OBS, which stands for Open Broadcaster Software. It's not just a screen recording tool, it's a powerful and versatile tool that can transform the way you create content. Whether you're looking to demonstrate software, guide your viewers through a process, or simply record your screen for any purpose, OBS is your go-to solution. And here's the real kicker, you can do all of this without showing your face. OBS offers the ability to record your screen while you provide a voiceover, making it an excellent choice for creating tutorials, how-to videos, and more. You're in complete control, and the possibilities are endless. If you're camera shy or prefer the focus to be on the content, OBS is your best friend. If you're on the hunt for inspiration and valuable guidance, join our community of savvy online entrepreneurs and hit that subscribe button now. Congratulations, my fellow online money-making enthusiasts. You're now armed with an impressive arsenal of platforms and tools that can unlock your full money-making potential on YouTube. It's time to fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a journey to maximize your earnings and watch your online income soar to new heights. With YouTube as our launchpad, Pixabay.com, Pxels.com, and Storyblocks as our content-enhancing partners, OpenShot, Shortcut, HitFilm Express, and iMovie as our video editing allies, PowerDirector Mobile as our on-the-go video editing companion, Google Slides as our visual storytelling secret, OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, as our screen recording superstar, there's nothing holding you back. This combination of platforms and tools is like the ultimate cheat code to success in the online money-making world. You've got everything you need to turn your creative ideas into cash. It's a thrilling ride, and I'll be your guide through it all. Thank you for joining us today, and a massive shout out to our subscribers for your unwavering support. But hold on, the journey is far from over, and by subscribing, you're ensuring you stay one step ahead in the exhilarating game of making money online. So, don't miss out, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share this valuable content, and leave your thoughts in the comments. We can't wait to hear from you. Keep an eye out for our next video. If you're eager to take your support to the next level and further fuel our channel's mission, here are a few ways you can do just that. First, you can contribute directly by clicking the donation link in the description section. Every bit helps us bring you more valuable content. If you're interested in supporting our channel's merchandise, drop us a quick email at thokatrading@gmail.com. We've got some awesome gear waiting for you. Need top-notch video editing services or access to the websites we've discussed today? No problem, shoot us an email, and we'll be right there to assist you. And if you're on the hunt for business funding to fuel your own online ventures, there's a link waiting for you in the description section. Lastly, if you're looking to transform your home into a cash machine, we've got just the book for you. Click on the link in the description section and let the journey begin. Remember, your success is our success. Together, we're going places. See you in the next video.